Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Kelly, and if you're new, welcome. I'm doing my hair right now. It is currently drying. It is 11:30 in the afternoon, which is pretty late for me. I'm very frustrated right now because I cannot find my stand for my camera. Like, I'm going crazy, and Jonathan's like, I've seen it somewhere, but where? Like, okay, my house is upside down right now, but it's like wherever my camera is, my stand is usually there too. But where is it? Like, where's my stand? This morning, I'm going to be making my breakfast. Usually when I'm rushing on, let's just prop this somewhere. We're gonna put it right here. Where's my stand? All right, you're just gonna go right there. This morning I'm making matcha green tea, which I am very excited about. We have a fun-filled day today. How do I want to make this? If you know me, you know that I love like, they're amazing. Of course, this is from Trader Joe's because it's like my favorite place to shop. Oh, I wish I had avocados. Let me know too if I talk too fast. Like, I'm very like another new update. There's mad updates in my life and everything, you know. But we got a new fridge. We got a new fridge. And I'm very excited about this new fridge. It's the small things. And I'm peeling too. This might be a little too dark, but well, I think it's fine. So back to what I was saying before. I think I talk really quick. I think I mentioned that. Oh my gosh, see, I'm all over the place. My life is all over the place. So I am just a beautiful hot mess lately, which is fine, you know. I'm accepting it, I'm owning it, whatever. But yeah, let me know if I talk too much, I mean too fast, because I'm very like my head is always racing. And it's annoying. It's very annoying because it's just me, and yeah, whatever. So if I talk too fast, let me know. I just spent like 3 minutes talking about that. I feel like there's just so much to say with my life going on that I don't know where to start. I don't know where I ended half the time. Like, I'm a lot right now. I have a lot of projects that I'm working on, which is really fun, really exciting. So outside of me going to like my 9 to 5, which is like, I work 8 to 4. Outside of that, after I get off of work, I'm always working. Like, my work doesn't stop. It never has, ever. Like, I don't know if I've ever been able to catch a break, which I don't need a break because I feel like that's like the curse of living in New York. I'm used to it. Sometimes I do need a break because I do burn out and like I become way too overwhelmed with what I take on. But I get really excited, and I get like it does fulfill me with always having something to do, especially when I actually like it, which right now I'm liking it. So this is the situation. I have my butter going. I got my egg. I literally cut this on my countertop. Yes, that's my croissant. I got my matcha. I'm debating on if I want to add tomatoes. So look how good that looks. Look at that tomato, that egg, that croissant, that butter. Oh yeah. I'm gonna eat and watch some YouTube. Question 2, like, who else on YouTube do you watch? Like, do you primarily watch YouTube vlogs? Do you watch like hair videos? Do you watch like DIY? Like, do you watch lifestyle? Do you watch family videos? What do you like watching on YouTube? Those are pretty much all the videos that I like to watch. That's what I like to film. I like to film my life and like all aspects of Kelly's life, you know what I mean? So that's what I watch. What do you guys watch on YouTube? Like, what channels? Link the channels down below, or like the people you follow. Cause I like knowing, like finding out new channels. I just found out of someone else yesterday. So I'm just interested in like what you're into, and my food is getting cold, you know, so I made a hot breakfast and I eat cold. Yeah, that's the story of my life. Okay, a lot going on today, so I will catch you up to date when my day actually starts. Breakfast was not supposed to be this long. Bye. Okay, so breakfast is complete. My house is a mess. Jonathan, the funny thing is Jonathan just called me. He's like, he's outside working out people for basketball, right? So he does coaching. If you didn't know, he does coaching. But so he just texted me and called me and was like, Kelly, do we have Benadryl? I'm like, why? What happened? You never need Benadryl. What's going on, babe? A bee just stung me in the eye. I'm like, oh, shut up. Or something just stung him. He doesn't know what it is. So we're waiting on him to come. So this will be actually really funny. I know he's okay, you know, but it's just cute. It sucks though, because it like ruins your whole day. Now you're like, oh, now I have this big thing on my face. What would he say? I just got stung in the face. Oh, by a bee, yeah. Let's call him.
Yeah.
Hey baby, you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
So you sure it was a bee?
Yo, I seen it run down on me. I just killed it on my face.
Oh my god, is it like big, like a big stung?
Nah, it hasn't got big yet. It's grown a little bit.
No. Does it itch? It hurts? It burns? Like, what's the feeling?
Yeah, it just stings.
Have you ever got stung before?
Never.
So we don't even know if you're like allergic to bee stings. Didn't we just talk about this? Like, oh, you never got stung by a bee before? Something like that?
Yeah.
Oh.
I looked at it and I heard it go and it went right to me. Like, it was like at least 6 feet away from me, but then it just like ran down on me quick.
Yeah, got you.
I caught it on my, like I killed it on my face.
Alright, I'm home. We got Benadryl.
Cool.
Okay, honey. I'll see you soon. Bye, babe. He sounds so like, oh, why is this ruining my day? Why did this happen, you stinking bee? So funny, we just spoke about this. Like, we literally just spoke about how he's never got stung by a bee before. I have. It was my freshman year of high school. I was like during the orientation, I got stung by a bee. Like, it was crazy. But anyway, I brought you into my living room on purpose for outside of that reason. So a lot of things are going on, you know. I might as well just sit down for this. Oh, and I wanted to call him to see if he knew where my stand was. I'll call him back. So I wanted to give everyone another update. Alright, so I wanted to give you another update and let you know that for this moment of time right now, oh, he's blowing up my phone, but really quick, for this moment of time, we are not moving. We're actually going to stay here for a little longer. It could be not forever, but we don't know when that moment is that we will be moving, because my mom keeps going back and forth. Yeah, which is fine, you know, like, I am there if she needs me to spend the night, every single night, and I still have my crap here. Whatever she wants, I will do for her. But for this moment of time, we will not be moving. So I am still gonna, so this just means that instead of me decorating the room and the house over there, that I just get to do it here. So I start off with a bang, and yesterday I went to one of my favorite thrift stores in New York. If you're in New York, you have to go to Unique. The Unique I go to the one in Garden City, and then occasionally I'll go to, I think it's Levittown. Yeah, I think so. But I go to those Uniques, and to me, I always find like the best finds. I get like coupons, like it's always the bomb. I got 2 pairs of jeans. I got this really nice Zara sweater thing for work. I got a dresser, and I got, what else did I get? And I got a mirror. So I have to go today to pick up the dresser. This is the mirror. You will see me hang it in a while, because I have to get a molly so I can put that there. But it's a huge circle mirror, and it's really heavy, so it's just right here. But I wanted to keep you posted on what was happening, what was going on. It's not like this big huge announcement, but I did want to know, like, okay, you know, why is she making all these moves? I'm gonna do shelves in here. Yeah, like, again, I told you, life's all over the place, but it's a hot, beautiful mess. So you gotta make the best of it, and it's just the good crazy. So that's what we are playing off of, the good crazy life. So that is what's going on. And we have to go to the store, go pick it up. I'm waiting on my sister right now. She's the one with the van and the truck. So we're gonna use hers because it's a huge wardrobe. And it's gonna replace one that I have in the bedroom right now. And that's my day.
What's the camera for?
I wanna see it.
Oh.
Oh my god, it's bad. It's kind of bad.
Yeah.
You look like a sad little puppy.
I don't know. Hi, everybody. I just got stung by a bee.
I can't find my stand.
I don't know. How much more was the take of this? Was it just chug it?
I see it. Does it hurt?
It stings. 2 to 4 teaspoons. I'm just gonna chug it. Oh, there's a top.
Yeah.
There it is.
Oh, usually I just take like gulps.
That's what I just said. I was just gonna chug it.
Yeah. Just update on my matcha. I don't think I did it right. If I made matcha, this is actually really good. I think I made it right this time, sort of. Should I call my mom, let her know that you got stung? Did you call your mom?
No. I just came home and got Benadryl. I'm about to go to the gym.
You want to take that with you?
I mean, I took some. I should be good.
You want to just put it in your car just in case?
Alright. Hello, world.
You got stung by a bee! Life of a blunt. So, to say the least, this morning was very overwhelming. And then, I have to go pick up this piece of furniture that I just told you about. It's like a wardrobe. But now I have to rent a truck to go pick it up. So, I'm in my mom's garage again. Getting like towels or a blanket. Oh, there it is. Getting a, oh, shoot, I'm like on a, whatever. Getting a blanket, which is all the way up there. Or, oh, I have this one. Oh, perfect, even better. So I'm gonna get this blanket, and then we're gonna order a van. I just did a U-Haul one, and then I found out that Home Depot's cheaper. So if you are interested in that, I recommend a Home Depot one. Alright, I think that's... yeah, what the heck? Just go ham, right? Not a towel. I'm about to go pick it up now. Jonathan's gonna help me, of course. Love you, babe. And if I get out of here safe and sound. I'm just keeping you up to date. Okay, so we are in the U-Haul. Well, not U-Haul. We're in the van that we rented, me and Jay. And we're on our way to pick up the wardrobe. It's huge, so that's why we had to do this. And it's worth it. So we're really excited to pick it up, and I will show you once we get there. Alright, so it is in there. We went to the thrift store and picked it up. And let's see if you can see it. I don't know. Okay, yeah, you're looking at like a black, whatever this thing is called, the barricade. But it is huge, and it is in there. And so you know, I got this piece for $20 because I had a coupon. How do you have a coupon at the thrift store? Only I would know. And it's gonna go in our bedroom and replace our other wardrobe that we have. Now this is not really a wardrobe, it's like a TV thing, but we're gonna create it into a wardrobe. So I will show you once when we are out of this van. We've been in this van for like 2 hours, so going there and then coming back. That's what we posted. That was good? My little infomercial? I just realized it's still recording.
You're gonna die with a coupon in your hand.
Holy moly! So, what time is it now? It is 6:17. We returned the vehicle. This wardrobe is huge. Like, Jonathan had to get one of his friends to come over to help bring it in the house because it's just so ginormous. And then my mom comes in, and then like we broke a pot outside and like, it's not even in the right place right now, but I'm gonna just show you how big it is because I have to clean out the other one because I just removed the other wardrobe. I should have filmed it, didn't. It was just like, we were too much in the moment and a lot going on today. So this is it. It is huge, humongous. There's another piece over here, but it's actually over there. OJ, where's that other piece?
This? Oh, it's behind you.
Whew, okay. So there's actually 2 pieces. This thing is ginormous. I will post a picture of what it looks like so you can see how huge it is. And the fact that I got this real wood, I'm gonna show you this. Well, this is like the bottom. I didn't realize that there's 2 separate pieces. This was only $20. Shop at thrift stores, man. I'm telling you, it's where it's at. We just spent our whole day. Feel so bad for my honey bunny. My honey bunny. But
That's me, honey bunny?
yeah. I just made that up. I never call him that. But we just did a lot today, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope this was a good one. Most likely next time you will see me actually transform this. This is actually a TV stand. Like, when you remember old-fashioned days, I want to say old-fashioned days because like you used to open up the cabinet and then there was like the TV mount. So that's what this piece actually is. And I'm gonna make it into a wardrobe. So I have to go shopping. I have to buy stuff. Maybe I'll go on Amazon to see like if I should just ship it instead. And then I'm redoing a lot within this house. So even though I'm not moving anymore, or we're not moving anymore, I can continue these, you know, design and yeah, these design videos. So enjoy. I hope this was a good one. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new. And see you next time. Bye.
Hello, Ms. Rooster, Kelly Rooster.